Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. It feels good to be back. I ain't gonna lie, it feels good to be back on the charts. Even though I've kind of been on the charts, but it feels good to be back on the YouTube live streaming. I hope you guys are able to hop on with me. Let me just get into it real quick and post this. I got on here a little late. I guess when you I guess when you're on here, you kind of I don't even know how to explain it, but I am pretty happy to be on. And, let's go ahead and get right up into it. Let me just go ahead and post this on the Instagram with the link. Let's see here. All right, so we're back on, and yeah, let's get right up into it. So last week, let me delete all this. Kind of see my whatchamacallit here, my journal from last week. Kind of see what I went through last week. Yeah, so this is a 15-minute, and let's just keep it simple from last week, right? So last week, right, price broke down, was able to catch this trade, caught a little bit of this trade, could have made a lot more if I pulled my price, but blah, blah, blah. Then we had a break of structure, right? Price broke above this high, lower high, right? That's why I took this buy at this level here to the upside, but obviously price then rejected this ILC. So we have a lower high, lower than this high, higher low, higher than this low, lower high, lower than this high, lower low, lower than this low. So we have a breaker structure right here. And that's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a breaker structure to the downside. And yeah, these are ILCs from different levels. Let me actually bring this out a little bit more. Different dates you can see here that I have. And they're still relevant, right? Just because they've been in here. Price has kind of been sitting inside of this range. It doesn't mean that it's not relevant, right? We see that the respect's being shown. We see all of that. So there's not really too much need to second guess it. We could see that price is kind of respecting these zones some way or another. So what I would do here, bring out the fib right here to right there. So we have this zone mapped out. And I'm kind of thinking it might be from this one. This one's a little high up, but let's go ahead and keep it here. So we'll have the 50% ILC right here where you can see respect being shown. ILC inside of an ILC, I actually like this a lot. Even though it's not all the way up to the 50%, we can see that respect's being shown here, right? So that almost to 50%. I'm gonna go ahead and color it as such, and I'll probably take some sells from this area if it hasn't already. Like I'd wait for it to kind of push below here at open, and then we could take the sell down. But this is golden zone right here, and I like this area as well. like either of these areas right here. But it does look like this one's getting some respect. The only thing I'd be looking for over the next 5 minutes is to see if price breaks above and retest this 50 EMA, the red line, and then we'll see, what's what. Then we'll see. So we're on here. We'll see what's what. Um, so again, if price breaks above here, then I'd be looking for price to come up a little bit more. And, I could see it hitting something like this. I mean, I might have to keep it here just to be safe, but I think we can see it come down to like the 61.8%. Probably even a little bit farther, right? I think it could come down to this green line. So I'd be looking for something like this if it finishes above right here. And I would be looking for something like this if it finishes below. I'd cut my stop loss short, pretty short, probably 30 pips, and I do it something like this. And we could see if it comes down to this level again. Call it here. So I'd be looking for either of these. These would be, in my opinion, best, but we'll see. All right, there's that. So let me see how the 5 minutes looking right now. Yeah, you see how the 5 minutes kind of finishing up. So I'll be looking mainly here to see how it finishes, and we'll take it from there. Because if you see here, you can see it respecting this ILC still, right? So yeah, I'm sorry, I have a bunch of levels tied up and tied out, but just so you guys see what I see. I know it's kind of a lot, but it works for me. At the end of the day, that's all that matters. So let's see what these next 5 minutes give us. So you see how it's kind of breaking down a little bit below. We got 2 minutes left. So this is where I'd be looking for something below here, right? And come back up and or finish below here and then come back and retest the EMA to come back down. So I'd be looking for something like that. Will it happen? I don't know, but we'll see. It looks like it's coming down now. So let's see. Scared money don't make money. Got a minute left. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it does. All right. I like the way it looks, but it could still push up, right? These last 30 seconds. So we'll see what's what right now. 20 seconds left. Yeah, I have a key level right here at like 12:40 as well. Damn, it's pushing pretty quick. Oh shit. I don't know if I want to take it here. Uh, you know what? I might. Yep. Think I'm gonna take it here. All right, I'm in. I'm actually kind of worried. I don't know. I got in kind of late. I'm in right here at these levels. So I'm in the position. I got in about 12:15. So I'm not too far below here actually. Mm, yeah, let's see if it retests right here. I'll probably add some more positions. See how this 1 minute finishes. Ooh, don't like that. Yeah, that's a big push on the 1 minute. Really big push. I added some positions, and if it doesn't go our way, I'm gonna just close the trade, and I'll be out of it. So I got some positions up top, some better positioning up top, but it could come up, right? We'll see. See if it could keep this push down. If not, then we're in trouble, right? So we'll see. Mm, yeah, I don't like that. Oh, let's see. See if it could stay down. Yeah, I don't like that at all. It's gotta keep the force down. And it's showing a little bit of wick, but it's also staying up there, which I don't like. This is on the 1 minute, but only reason I like it is because this wick broke below here, right? So let's see if it can continue down. Still big news for the US dollar. All right, let's see if it can stay down. I mean, it's kind of staying up there, right? All right, let's see. You know what I'm looking at now? Because we're in this range, right? The past few hours since 1855 yesterday. And I got a bunch of positions up here as well, so we're looking decent in terms of our positioning. But we got to be very careful because we are sitting in a range, right? So we would need price to break below here. And I'm definitely going to take some profit at this level right here. But we need price to break below because it could just hit this and reject back up, you know? All right, we're in business. We're up pretty big, right? Um, yeah, I'm going to take some profit right here. I'm going to definitely take some profit right here before I mess up and don't. All right, let's see. So I've already closed profit. I got a 0.06 in here total now. And, let's see. I'm thinking about pulling some more. You know what? I just pulled a little bit of a position right now. Damn, this thing is flying. I think I'm about to pull some more right now too. Just hit 100 pips. Cool. All right, yeah, I got a 0.01 in there now. Stops are at break even. Let's see what it does. Let's go. That's crazy. We got kind of a perfect entry on the retrace. Now it's like shit. So this is a key area. I took a lot of my profit here. 0.01 runner now. Again, we've only been trading for 6 minutes and shit, that's not a bad day. So still got the runner in there. And yeah, let's see what it does. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 6 minutes. That's crazy. Kind of hit this trade pretty big right here. Stops are at break even now, right? So now that we have stops at break even, we can kind of see what the trade's going to do. You can see a huge rejection right here. But one thing that I do like is that this low broke below here. And not only that, it broke below here. So, you know, it's kind of tough, but yeah. Let's see. First day back on the live stream. First day back on the live stream, and we got a major success. Man, I should have held it, but first day on the live stream, 100 pips, and pretty clean entry. That's my bottom entry right there. I got a top entry on the retrace, on the wick up there, but 100 plus pips. Let's get it, man. Come on. And this is one of the reasons why I like to keep my zones, right? This is from 610. That's over a month ago, literally a month ago, from 610 a month ago. But you could see the respect that's being shown through all of it, right? Like through all of this, the respect's being shown and it's getting fired off. So I'm pretty happy. Hopefully we can see this thing to fruition, even though I just have a 0.01 in here. I think probably right here would be better area right here. See if it goes that way, but looking good so far. What's good, everybody? Thank you guys for hopping on. We got a solid first day back. We got 117 pips running. I actually got more than that. Let's see. This isn't my top position. I already pulled this bottom position. Um, but we're at about 134 pips total, right? So I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. 140 pips total and counting. This we came out with a vengeance today. Thank you guys for hopping on. I just have a point zero 0.01 runner, but I'm up a good amount for the day now, so I'll take it. You know what I mean? You guys will be able to see all that on the damn, that shit's sick. I wish I would have held everything. That's where I got to get better at, I guess. That's where I have to get better, I guess. Um, but yeah, look at this shit's moving. We're up 150 plus pips, first day back. Um, Shit, you can't ask for much more, right? Sheesh. 165 pips. See if it makes it down to our zone, right? I think I'm gonna let me see real quick, because it's retracing now, and this is a key area, right? See how it matched this low right here? So let's see, it didn't break it, it matched it. So that's the difference right here. So we gotta see if it's even gonna make the move down. But let me go to the 1 minute. I'm gonna move my stop loss here into profit. Um, Probably like around 11,990. 11,990. I mean, if it comes all the way up here, which I don't think it should, I mean, it's a big retrace, but I think it could continue down. But I mean, I don't think we need to do too much more, right? We're in this bitch. The trade was a success. We hit perfectly. Gave you a full rundown and explanation why we were gonna hit this trade, and check us out. We're on here. We're able to capitalize. This is a solid ass trade, right? A 1 to 3 8. Let's just call it for what it is here. A 1 to 3.2 trade, 45 pip stop just up here, and took the trade here. And we waited for confirmation, right? So if this candle right here, if this one right here had finished bullish on top of the 50 EMA, I would have been looking to buy, or not buy, but I would have been looking to sell at these areas. But since price broke below, engulfed below, then we waited, well, we entered here. But once we had the retrace up here, we added some more. Well, I added some more positions. Was able to add, and then we could hold that down to the downside. So um, it was pretty fucking clean. I ain't gonna lie. Got a little spooked. Sometimes running up, I was like, shit, maybe it hits, maybe it doesn't. And but either way, we came up pretty fucking clean right here. We'll probably see a retracement. I think probably, hopefully up to this area, and then it retraces back down. See what the 1 minute 20 EMA is looking like. Well, yeah. So it could definitely make it all the way up here. But hopefully it comes down to here, or comes up to here and then falls. Um, but yeah, I mean, fuck, we hit pretty big. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. But hope you guys were able to make some money with me today. Thank you guys for tuning in. And shit, we'll be back tomorrow, 6:15 a.m. And hope to see you guys there. So let's get it, man. Thank you guys. Uh, Essentially, it was a 6 minute trade again. By 6:36, I had closed majority of my profits, only left a runner, and now we're here. So let's go, man. Thank you guys for tuning in, and show some love on the Instagram page. And yeah, we'll get to it next time, man. See you tomorrow.